Say hi, ladies. Hi, ladies. Good boy. You look actually really tall, but you're standing on a stool, so. Good morning, ladies. Okay, so it has been a while since I did a video like this. I actually stumbled across this really old packet of pregnancy tests, just from when I was TTCing and things like that. These are from Sainsbury's, and they're like a plus or minus pregnancy test, I think. Are you rubbing my arm? You are so sweet. This morning he came into my bed and he saw that I had a spot on my arm and he went, ow, ow. And he was kissing it. So cute. You're a beautiful boy. You love mama? Yeah, they can see your train. Good job. Oh, we haven't done a video like this in a while. This is fun.
What?
Can mummy have a kiss? Mummy kiss? Good boy. You're so loving. Right, what new words can you say? Oh, nothing. Say no.
Nah.
Say yeah.
Yeah.
Say mama.
Mama.
Say dada.
Dada.
Say Harry.
Baby.
Harry.
Baby.
What noise does a cat make?
Meow.
What noise does a dog make? No, I don't want you to lick me. So before we get on with the video, I just want to show you a little clip of how to register with the Channel M website. It is just amazing. They've made it really friendly now for mobile users because a lot of us use our mobiles, right, to look at stuff. So it's a Channel M forum, and on there you've got pregnancy and miscarriage and things like that. So there's so many things that are really inclusive. There's toddlers, there's trying to conceive, there's all of that. So I'm just going to put in a couple of clips here just to show you how to follow me on the website, and then I'm going to do a little gender prediction as well. Why have we got to We don't have to shush, you just make it silly. Hi everyone, good morning. Okay, so I'm here to show you guys today the Channel M website and how you guys can follow me on there and a few other things. So you click on the channelmum.com website. It's all very mobile friendly. To register, all you do is go up to the top here. So to register, there is a little button and you click register, type in your email, username, or you can just continue with Facebook, and then you click join Channel M. So once you have done that, you can click up here on the top right hand corner, which says creators. Scroll down and there's me. You just click follow and then it comes up like that. So basically, when you click on channels here, you can have a little look through. I'm going to do right, I've just clicked on pregnancy, and here you can heart a few things, and then boy or girl, I'm quite interested in that at the moment. So we're going to click on that. Right, you click on my feed, and then at the moment I've got these few things here hearted. So if you just click on that, it comes up with that's the last video I did, followed by the 12-week scan that we had. That was a bit of an emotional video that I made. Assumptions about me. That was really fun actually making that. I might do another one like that. I'm going to go back to pregnancy. Boy or girl, labour and birth, miscarriage and baby loss. So I've already hearted, as you can see, baby names and baby scans. So all you need to do is just click on it. I will click on pregnancy week by week there and show you what I mean. So I click follow, which is a little heart there, and then you can scroll down and you can see lots of different videos and related channels here. So if I go to boy or girl, I'm going to have a look at gender prediction. And there's a little gender test there if you wanted to have a look and see if you're having a boy or a girl. These myth busters, they're always really fun. It's a gender reveal video that goes wrong, that's quite funny. And then there's a gender prediction quiz that I'm going to take today from Channel M. So I'm going to click on that one. I've never done this before actually, guys, because when I was pregnant with Charlie, I don't believe they had this quiz at the time. But anyway, so we're going to have a little look. So we're going to press start and wait 6 years for the internet to catch up. Okay, so I am carrying either all over side to side. So I would say that I'm carrying all over side to side. It's just everywhere at the moment. Hold a necklace above your bump. Does it swing? So I'm just going to do this now and then I will come back. Okay, so I've just done this and it went side to side. Have I suffered morning sickness? Yes. How fast is your baby's heartbeat usually? See, I'm not sure. I haven't done... See, my Doppler doesn't actually tell me. I'm just going to click that one. Has your skin or hair improved? No, I feel like my nails especially have just completely, like, they're snapping and they're disgusting. I would say, which boob is bigger? I would say my right one. Normally it's my left, but I would say my right one. Have you been having severe mood swings? Yes, I have. Which side do you normally sleep on? Now, with Charlie's pregnancy, I actually slept on my left side, but this time I'm sleeping definitely more on my right side. What kind of cravings have you been having? Definitely sweet. Have you noticed the hair on your legs growing more? No, I haven't actually. Submit. What does it think I'm having? Oh, it thinks I'm having a girl. That's so sweet. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to wait and see. We've got a 16-week scan coming up and then we will see if it's right. Right, today guys, we're going to be doing a pregnancy test at 15 weeks because why not? And you know what? I could not just have these in the cupboard and not use them. So, right, I'm just going to dip this in my wee out of sight and then I will turn the camera around and film how quick it comes up. See how quick it comes up at 15 weeks. There it is. Oh, it did come up really quick. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, what is it?
Baby.
Plus. Has that actually stolen the ink from the other side? Is the control panel coming up or not? Oh wow, look how dark that is, Charlie. Yeah, the control line's coming up there, but it's like stolen the ink. That's really dark. You don't need to put your finger in the hole, thank you. So I do hope you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to me for free to follow my journey and I will see you in my next video. All the links and things will be down below for the Channel Mum website. The next video I think you will see will be our gender reveal video, I think. So I will see you then. Bye, ladies.